All right, this is pretty insane swap. Some of you guys know this as a Subaru. But here's the funny part. It is a Subaru with STI drivetrain, as you can see in the front, axles, with a less motor. The car worked absolutely fine, and it's currently getting built for a twin turbo setup, which is, give me a second. There you go. The actual setup is not set in stone yet, so the sizes of the turbos will be tested. A lot of fabrication, but on LS2 all motor setup, car ran a little bit over 11.3 on all motor LS2. This setup is 5.3 all aluminum with everything you could possibly throw inside, and twin turbo. Soon will be tested again. Don't mind the wheels, this is strictly for the winter. If you have any kind of question, follow me and I'll keep you posted. Thank you.